Hi, my name's Sam Druce and I work in sales and marketing. So before I came to the event, we tried Facebook ads a lot, and we were spending well over £2,000 seeing very, very little results. It got to a point where it was obviously costing a lot of money, and when we're obviously spending that much money, you expect to get some very good results. So I actually came across James Nicholson, went to his one-day event, managed to convince my boss to fund me to come here, really so we could not just learn how to use Facebook ads for our business better, but also use them cost effectively, and really make sure that we're maximizing every potential customer out there we could use. So when it comes to Facebook ads, I tried to do the shortcut that I'm sure a lot of you out there have done as well. I can do this, it's going to be easy. And it was okay, and again, we weren't getting the results. So I'd done a bit of research and went online, found some tutorials on YouTube, but they just didn't really give the whole kind of essence and really everything I needed to know, all in very, very easy to use terms, without using that technical jargon as well. So the 3 days with James, it's just incredible. When it comes to anything technical online and Facebook, you can get really bogged down in the jargon, and it can almost seem like, oh, I can't do this. It's too confusing, it's too much. But he breaks it down in a way that's so easily digestible that makes so much sense, not just how you can actually do it, but also how it can impact and really affect your business in such a uniquely positive way as well. So the best thing I learned from the masterclass was, firstly, actually being able to identify who my client is. Facebook's such a big area. You can almost kind of throw mud at a wall and hope some of it sticks, but James teaches you to really kind of break it down and understand exactly what your customer is looking for, so that you can give them exactly what they are looking for as well. I know that sounds so simple, but when you understand this, and when you understand it, how he teaches it in such an easily digestible way, you really start to see the potential that Facebook adverts can bring you, and they can really enable you to take your business from here to here in a very, very short space of time, whilst giving you amazing credibility and also not costing you a fortune either. If you're serious about doing anything online, don't even think about it. You have to come to James's 3 days. It's not just about being able to learn this stuff, but it's about being in the environment that's so amazing that you're put in an environment where you have to achieve. You're driven by everyone else, and when he breaks it down so simply, you can go away, and we've implemented on the event. I've had better results in the last 3 days sat on my laptop doing it live than I have done in the previous 3 months before.